Life transforms when you fill your head with positivity. Hi, I'm Sheetal. Today I'm going to perform asanas and meditations which will help reduce migraines and headaches. I am beginning with pranayam, that is Anulom Vilom. I'm sitting in Sukhasana, cross-legged position, with my hands resting on my knees. Now I'm blocking the right nostril of my nose with my right thumb, and I'm slowly inhaling through the left nostril. Next, I'm closing my left nostril with the ring finger of my right palm and simultaneously exhaling through my right nostril as I release my thumb from there. I'm again inhaling through my right nostril and closing the right nostril and exhaling through the left as I release my ring finger from there. I have completed one round of Anulom Vilom here. You can repeat the same cycle of breathing for 5 to 15 rounds. All throughout the practice, try to keep the inhalation and exhalation equal as much as possible. The second asana is called Supta Baddha Konasana, or the reclined bound angle pose. I'm lying on my back with my knees bent, keeping the soles of my feet on the floor. Next, I'm opening my knees on either side, bringing the soles of my feet together. I'm keeping my legs in the same position as they were in Baddha Konasana. My arms are relaxed by my side. I will be staying here for several minutes as gravity works to deepen my stretch. I am breathing naturally throughout my pose. While in this pose, focus on relaxing the back and pelvic area. Take longer and deeper breaths, which will surely make you feel better. Make sure you don't push your knees towards the floor. Rather than gravity, let your hip joint and thigh muscle release this tension gradually. You can hold this pose for as long as you are comfortable. When you want to conclude, come back to the initial position where the knees were bent and the feet were on the floor. The third pose which I am performing is called Balasana, or the child pose. I am beginning in the tabletop position. Next, I am widening the distance between my knees towards the edges of the mat and bringing my toes together simultaneously. Now, I am sinking my buttocks on the heels firmly. I am beginning to lean forward with a soft and slow exhale while my hands are reaching the floor. My forehead is rested on the floor. I am closing my eyes and observing my breath for 3 to 5 repetitions. I can't help but notice the ease and lightness this posture is bringing to my spine. My head is feeling relaxed and my mind is feeling calmer. Enjoying this feeling of peace and calm, I will be here in this position as long as I am comfortable. It's truly a great feeling when you gently decompress your spine doing Balasana. Whenever you feel uncomfortable, go back to the neutral position. Yoga is not just a practice for your body, but also your mind. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Until we meet next, keep growing, keep glowing.